so try to pick up like beads one at a time and put them in your hand. So one at a time. There you go, one. This is called squirreling. Nice job. Beautiful. Yeah, so right now we are making fidgets with paper clips and pony beads. And it's really cool because the girls are making their own patterns of colors, and it's a nice quiet fidget for class. Or if you have to sit and wait, or you're sitting and listening, then you'll have your own pretty fidgets. And then what you want to do is you want to take the end of the paper clip and you want to put it back down through the beads on the other side.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
And your eyes are closed. Nice. And how does it feel when you're fidgeting?
It feels like it's giving me a massage on my thumb.
Oh, massage on your thumb. I like it.